That's a mouse. Do you want to get it? Your cat. You know you shouldn't like mouse. Yeah, I know, but that's a mouse. So you should get that. Yeah, you should get that. Yeah, see, that's a mouse. You're a cat. You're not actually supposed to like that. Do you understand? Come on, boy, get it. See, it's a little mouse. Yep. Yeah, there you go. So you're supposed to actually like catch it, because you're a cat. Yeah, you're a cat. That's what you are. No, you're not interested? Okay. Boy? By you. No? Yeah. Good job, boy. Good job. Good job.